Click on the link below to get price. The ONWOTE 12MP NVR 32-channel security camera system is a robust solution for those seeking advanced security features and high-resolution video surveillance. Upon unboxing, the system impresses with its sleek design and comprehensive setup options. The package includes an NVR, multiple cameras, power adapters, and a user manual, making the initial setup straightforward. One standout feature of this security system is its impressive 12MP resolution. This level of clarity ensures that facial details are captured vividly, which is invaluable for identifying individuals. Additionally, the face recognition technology adds another layer of security, allowing for the monitoring of specific individuals while filtering out irrelevant activity. The AcuSearch feature enhances this capability, enabling users to quickly locate footage of specific faces or events, thus saving time during investigations. Installation is user-friendly, with options for both wired and wireless setups. The cameras have a durable build, making them suitable for outdoor use, with resistance to various weather conditions. The system provides 32 channels, allowing extensive coverage of larger properties or multiple locations. This flexibility is a major advantage for businesses or homeowners with expansive areas to monitor. The mobile app integration is another highlight. It allows users to access live feeds, review recorded footage, and receive alerts directly on their smartphones. The alerts are timely and customizable, ensuring that users are informed of potential security breaches as they happen. On the downside, the system may require a bit of a learning curve for those unfamiliar with such technology. Additionally, while the initial investment is significant, the long-term benefits of enhanced security and peace of mind are worth it. Overall, the ONWOTE 12MP NVR security camera system stands out for its high-resolution video quality, advanced features like face recognition, and user-friendly interface. It provides a solid investment for anyone serious about securing their property.